How to install a very popular app called Widgetsmith on your iPhone. Widgetsmith is a really fun application if you're trying to play around with widgets, trying to add custom photo or widget to your home screen on iPhone, just to basically give it an aesthetic vibe. And I'm going to show you how you can install it. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can add a widget as well. So just make sure to check them out on our channel. And without any further delay, let's get started with today's video. Installing Widgetsmith on iPhone is actually very simple to do so. What we have to do for that is to simply open up our App Store. And once we open up our App Store, in the search bar, you can just type in Widgetsmith. So once you type in Widgetsmith, you'll find the Widgetsmith application right there. So this is the Widgetsmith app that you want to download. This is actually used for customizing our home screen on iPhones and so on. So just hit the download icon right there to download the Widgetsmith app to your iPhone. This way you can install a Widgetsmith app on iPhone. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.